Welcome. Welcome to today's lesson on critical thinking and argumentation. To start, think about this. You see a claim online. How do you know if the claim is true? Today we will explore how to evaluate information, analyze arguments, and construct reasoned perspectives. These are skills you'll use in school and in everyday life. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking is the ability to carefully examine information and think logically about it. It's not just memorizing facts, it's understanding reasoning. For example, a strong argument gives clear evidence, while a weak argument may rely on assumptions or personal opinions. Being able to tell the difference is a key skill in all areas of learning. What is argumentation? Argumentation is about constructing your own claims and backing them up with evidence and reasoning. It's different from stating your opinion. A good argument includes a claim, supporting evidence, and reasoning that connects the two. We'll look at examples so you can identify the claim, evidence, and reasoning in real scenarios. Benefits of guidance and support. Guidance and support helps you build strong critical thinking skills. When you receive guidance through teacher support or online resources, you can understand foundational concepts at your own pace. In-class support encourages discussion, collaboration, and feedback, which strengthens your reasoning and argumentation abilities. Benefits of independence and responsibility. Independent learning helps you take responsibility for your own understanding. By practicing on your own, analyzing information, evaluating evidence, and forming arguments, you strengthen your reasoning skills. Combining independent work with guided practice ensures that you develop both knowledge and critical thinking abilities. Now it's time to put your skills into practice. The Kahoot quiz will help you evaluate claims, identify fallacies, and construct strong arguments. Remember, critical thinking isn't just for class. It's a skill you'll use every day. Engage with the questions thoughtfully and see how your reasoning skills improve. Thank you.